tutorial or lecture for the Excel. Till now we have prepared this initial Excel sheet and maybe you have downloaded from resources given to you. Now what you have learned is this all the functions. Hope you have practiced well. Now I am going to teach you many more functions or shortcuts which will be useful to your daily life. So here I want to find out how many days left from the target date. So let us say that prove a theory, a task is assigned to Trent Marvin and the target date was 5th April. Now I want to change this 5th April to 10th May 2020. And what is today? So you can find out by just pressing equal to today and in brackets open and close. So it will show you the what is the today date, right? So it is 1st May. Now I want to calculate from the 1st May till the target date how many days are left. We will use these calculations in future sheet. So let us say for finding the number of days left you have to just press equal to. So this is the cell. You can edit from this also and you can edit from here also. At first I want to teach you something like this is called as cell name call. Same cell name part. So it is the cell name is F3. F is column and 3 is the row. Verticals are called as column and horizontals are called as row. So if you want to go to let's say H5 by just typing this H5 you can directly go to that cell. You can edit this cell name according to you. So I will teach you whenever we will use this cell name editing. I will teach you. Right now I am not using. I am just taking this standard which is available in the Excel. So this is the column, this is the row, and now I want to type here the equation. Equation is equal to after that this cell. It is called as E3, right? E column 3 row. E3 less today. How many days are left from target date, right? So it is 9. So see the number format is general, right? And now I am going to type the equation is this minus today and you will find this type of error. So automatically Excel has captured as a date. Before it was general and now it is converted into date, but you want to calculate the number, so you have to change this format. How you will do? Just selecting this G column by clicking back over here, or else you can just by pressing shift spacebar you can select whole column, and now you have to just select this and you have to set this full column as a number format. So it will automatically calculate 9.00, but we don't require fraction, so we will use this decreased decimal feature which is available in Excel. So it will apply over here only, but we want to apply in full column, so we have to, after selecting this column we have to change this, so it will be converted in single digit, right? So this thing you have to keep in mind. Right now I am deleting this and I am applying this all this thing into this, so the number format and 0 decimal. So finally we have edited this data. Here it is showing minus, right? Minus 31 means already 31 days has been passed, and over it is showing 9. That means 9 days are left. Now I want to copy this equations to hold this column. So maybe you are thinking that we have to edit this thing, but no. After copy or paste, you will automatically, Excel will automatically change this to E4. At first this was E3 and now it is E4. So by downside it will automatically captured, and if we copy it to this it will also get copy, and now it is taking F2. So whatever equation we are dragging to downside or we are dragging to right side, it will automatically capture. So how to stop this? So let me give over here the example. You can by clicking this, by pressing F2 you will get this equation. So right now you have to log this E2, so you have to press F4 key from keyboard. It will show you some dollar mark, $E, $2. That means E is logged, 2 is logged. But this feature I will make another tutorial. So right now just consider that as a E2 only. In next tutorial I will teach you this dollar function. What is the use of this dollar, right? So now I want to copy this all the formulas to the down. You can, there is one option, you can drag it. It will automatically calculate, or else you can by double pressing this full column until the last data, it will automatically select, right? So this column finally we have completed, or else you can do one thing that I am teaching you right now. Control Z is for undo. So again undo. I want to do redo. Control Y, and now I want to do this copy till data last, right? So you can just press Ctrl D to drag the above function to below. It will automatically captured and copy the cell from above to below. So Ctrl D will use for copy cell from above cell to below. So hope you have copied this full formula to this column. Now we will meet you in the next lecture. Till now I want to stop this thing and practice this just basic command, that is today, and this basic equation. We will meet you in next lecture.